What's going on, guys? Alex here and welcome to Monster Motors. So if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to not miss out on any future videos, and if you're a returner, then well, thanks for clicking on the video. So today is an update video on the A45. So basically what's been done is it's had a mongoose Decat downpipe added, and it's had a Campbell's Tuning stage 2 ECU remap done to it, so the Decat's been mapped into it, everything's running as it should. So I've got a couple clips of it getting fitted, so I'll put that in there. But today's just going to be a relatively short video. It's just going to be how this car sounds, how it feels and all that, and what the stage 2 and the Decat have done to it. So yeah, so I'll insert the clips now and I'll catch you shortly. So there we have it, that's the Decat on the A45. It's absolutely insane the sound it makes. It's like an angry popcorn machine or something. But yeah, so we're going to do another video probably next week or the week after, just sort of more on the stage 2 sides of things, and like see what sort of changes it's done to 0 to 60 performance and all that sort of good stuff. So there's that to look forward to. I've got a couple updates coming with the S15, which that's going to be another video coming shortly. Got a couple other things planned. I've also got a first drift day booked, so we're actually going on a beginner's course, me and Alex, which is the owner of this car. So we're not going in our own cars, but what we're going to do is we're going to get into S14s, and we've got 3 hours of one-to-one tuition, so that's going to be insane. We should be get a lot of information down, hopefully learn all the basics and can start linking corners and all that. So then there's going to be plenty more of the drift footage coming soon, and that means that my drift diaries will begin. Although I'm going to have to find a new name for the drift diaries because everyone's got a series called drift diaries. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. But yeah, make sure to subscribe and drop the video a like if you've enjoyed it, and obviously don't forget to comment. But yeah, that's it for me, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.